Hey guys, Crypto666 here. Hope you guys had a great New Year's. I sure did. Time to get back into NFT game development. I'm going to start this new year off better than last year's. I'm going to be doing 2 videos every week, and hopefully we'll be able to bump that up to 3 and then even maybe to 1 video a day if we could get there. So go ahead and smash that like button and make sure you hit subscribe so that you can stay in tune with all the future updates and future video releases so that you yourself can master NFT game development. If you love the content that we produce and enjoy learning on how to turn NFTs into games, visit our Buy Me a Coffee page at buymeacoffee.com/NFT game devs and share our page or buy us a coffee. Every donation goes towards creating free content so that you can continue to learn how to be an NFT game developer. Please be safe while you're moving around in the NFT space. There's a lot of scamming going on. I'll never inbox you asking you for your key phrase or your wallet address. If you're new to my channel, you're coming in right at the right time. We're going to be rolling things back. I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to install each program you need in order to launch your very own NFT project. And later, we're going to take that contract and I'm going to show you how to integrate it and tie it with your NFT games so that you can incorporate your NFTs on OpenSea into your very own video game ecosystem. All right, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and go over to Node.js and download that. So I'm going to go to Google and type in Node.js. You'll see nodejs.org will pop up. You click on Node.js. And you're going to want to make sure that you download the 16.13.1 LTS. If you download the 17.3, it's going to give you some issues with your deployment, and we won't be able to assist you with those in this video. So we're going to go ahead and download the 16.13. Going to hit run, next, and I already have it installed, but let's just go ahead and reinstall it. Hit next. Automatically install the next necessary tools. You can uncheck that. Hit next. Hit change. For you, it'll probably say install. And then once it finishes, you have just installed Node.js. You shouldn't get any errors. If you have any errors, then you probably did something wrong. And this will conclude this tutorial. Join me in the next video where we'll be covering how to install Truffle.